we strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. So when we get a 5-star review like this, we have to show it to the world.
I chose Automatic Mosquito Control by Greenville Mosquito, because your site was the first to explain everything in an easy-to-understand and straightforward manner. Your website has given me the confidence to handle running the system on my own, instead of relying on someone else. The prices for the parts I needed also were good. I also had to place a quick call in regard to my order, and was quickly helped. I will remain a loyal customer because of the customer service, knowing I have someone to ask any questions I may have. Thank you, Greenville Mosquito.
So if you're looking for a company that has the best customer service, backed by years of extensive knowledge and experience, then we're the right fit for you. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you, and we're only a call away from serving you.